icebreaker speech, right? When you see the content, it will say talk about yourself. You can prepare icebreaker speech, but you need to have a great fortitude to come and stand in front of people to speak. And Gautam did a fabulous job. But one of the toughest thing for evaluator is, what do I give feedback? How we will feel? So there are a lot of things going through inside the evaluator. Let's see how Hema handles this.
So pressure.
Evaluation is not to evaluate who he is, but to evaluate how his speech was. So, Gautam, this did not sound like a first speech. This did not sound like a first speech. You did not have any stage fear. You fortitude the speech, like it all went on well. And you actually, good thing is like you compared the school like with metaphors, like you had, the students were like more like a snob, the Vanavani school was like a forest. So you used metaphor, you compared your school, which was very good. And you also sprinkled humorous over your speech, which was like too good. So first time speaker, icebreaker, like you used humorous points, which was actually good. And you actually referred notes, which is actually okay for a icebreaker speech, so that can be done. And as far as the emotions, to go to the next level of your speech, your emotions, you said like you're a topper in the school, but that emotion did not see, I was not able to see in your face. And you were able to complete all 12 papers in the single shot, which was a proud moment that was not there, that was not reflected. You did have pauses, but the pauses was like a bit longer pause, so that could have been avoided. And you should have started your speech with an action. So you could have started a speech saying that like I was studying probably in this year, 1980s. So I was studying in Sishya. So this is what happened. So you could have started with the action, because like the time span, attention span of all the audience will be around 30 seconds. Probably the first 30 seconds you can actually start with the creativity, with an action. So that like audience will be able to notice or listen to your speech better. So to overall, you did not have a stage fear, your humorous was very good, and comparing with a metaphor was really good. And to go to the next level, you should have had some bit of emotion during the speech, and a pause should be reduced, and you need to start your speech with an action so that you can ace your speech. Thank you.
Thank you so much.